The governor of Aceh, Nova Iriansyah, attended the commemoration of 93rd Youth Pledge Day 2021, which was held virtually by the Indonesian Ministry of Youth and Sport from the Zainul Abidin Regional General Hospital, Thursday, 28 October 2021. The virtual commemoration took place with a great fanfare. The event committee displayed various attractions and creativity performed by young people. In the commemoration, a number of awards were also given to Indonesian youth who have various achievements in various sectors. President of Indonesia Joko Widodo in his remarks said that in today's digital era, youth have a central role to become leaders of change. Youth is the biggest strength of demographic bonus of the Indonesia people who have the courage to take risks and seize opportunities and also are innovative.